Welcome once again to Change is Joy channel. Today I'm going to show you how I clean my salmon fish, that is descaling, chopping and storing at home. As you can see, this can create quite a mess, which is why I do it under running tap water. I just go over it again to make sure that all the scales have been removed. I don't worry much about the head because I don't eat it. What I just do is I just cut it and throw it away. I make sure that I run over water and make sure it's all clean. As you can see, these are all the scales that came off the fish, which is now nice and clean. So for me to cut it nicely, I use now this big knife, which I have to file first so that it becomes quite sharp. Once it's clean, I cut it out in reasonable slices. As you can see, once the scales are removed, it is much easier to cut through the skin. Did you know that salmon fish has some very impressive health benefits? I managed to gather a couple of them in line with my lifestyle. So first of all, it is a great source of protein. Now my body requires protein to heal the bone and prevent muscle loss. Secondly, it is high in vitamin B, which is an excellent source needed for energy production. Once I finish cutting, I make sure that I pack into these food bags for storage. You can get these from local grocery stores. I got mine from Costco, and I'll put the link down below should you need to grab yourself some and store in the fridge. Then the rest of these bits I throw away. There you have it.